are watching this video, maybe in your case you're sensitive and you're attached to one of the desires of yours, and you always check the 3D that if it is here or not, if it is here or not, and you see nothing here, okay, and you have now persisted on manifestations don't happen, and everything is fake, people are lying, and see I cannot manifest my desire because see I cannot see any of my desire. Guys, see, your desire is not getting manifested. First of all, the belief system which is in our mind, the assumptions, it is actually getting manifested. So if you have believed, suppose today I have persisted using any kind of technique, I have persisted, the techniques I feel are easy for me, I have persisted using those techniques, trying to manifest a person, and today I use a technique. Come on, I am going to write it out, and give me a pen, I'll write it down that this specific person is mine, I'm married to this person and all, everything I have written, okay. Now, the next hour I don't see that getting realized. I start doubting whether it will manifest or not. That person is maybe a very important person in a society. I have a bad past with this person, and this is a little doubt. This is not going to ruin your desire. But the next moment, okay, I cannot see, the absence of desire is there. It is not going to manifest because manifestation is a fake thing. I mean, I cannot see this. Now you have persisted on this absence of manifestation belief system, and this is why you are ruining your desire. Okay, so I hope you understood this. You yourself are ruining that. How you're just destroying the belief system which actually matches with your desired reality. Okay, suppose today, again I'll repeat, today I am persisting on this, the next moment I am like, I cannot see right now, so it is not going to happen. So that is a belief system I assumed. That assumption, I can say, I took that in my belief system. It is actually going to happen like that. So all in all, your belief system is actually getting manifested, not your desire. So what you persist, the belief system, the assumptions you persist on, those are going to get manifested. If you can see, there are people who say, I am a very good person, but I do everything good with people, but people return back with negativity, with cheating and all. See, there are a lot of people I see in my consciousness, I don't know why I have manifested that. They want to be in victim mentality to show that, okay, how good people are there, okay. This is not going to help you out in any of your manifestations of your favorable desire. This is just destroying, I can say, ruining or destroying, you can say, your desired reality, okay. Instead of that, be a master manifester, I can say a monster manifester. So sometimes being in victim mentality and pretending that you are a good person can ruin your desirable reality, okay guys. So be a good person and create a desired reality where you have everything, where you have assumed that I do good with people and people return back with positivity and help and support, okay. Because everything is happening, guys, in your consciousness. People are not having free will in your reality. Suppose I am manifesting something, and if I feel that somebody is evil to me, they will play evil to me. And of course, if somebody is playing evil to me, if I have manifested that there are laws to deal with those things, then if I have manifested, I can use those laws, okay. Because everything is my responsibility. I have manifested that person will do bad with me, so I can file case on that person, okay. This is about a general thing where if you have persisted on a belief system, it is going to happen. Be sure you are manifesting a great belief system in your third dimension, I can say, the physical world, okay. So be sure even about this, that your belief system is, you are a powerful manifester and you can manifest anything, okay. This is the mental that you have to give, that my 3D, my rule. So nobody else is going to rule this thing. I have the free will in my reality, and nobody else is going to create any fuss in this, because that's up to me. If I am giving role to a person who is creating a fuss in my life, who is ruining anything in my life, it's perfectly my responsibility to change the role of that person first here on mental level, so that we can see on the physical level. Okay guys, so how to stop ruining your desirable reality is coming out of the victim mentality, that I'm not getting the manifestations I desire. Rather be on mental that my 3D, my reality and my rules, and whatever I desire, it is going to get manifested. It is okay. If you can manifest absence of desire, you can manifest presence of desires. Mental diet means self-talk. You can actually create your desired reality in your mind first of all, and then you can experience those things in physical level too, in your 3D. Okay, the main point guys is, if you are in a victim mentality, nobody can help you out. Everybody will confirm that reality, that belief system for you. Everyone is going to confirm that, okay, I am the villain of your life and I am going to ruin your life horribly. So I don't think you want this. Okay, so be a good person again and affirm that whatever you give, okay, whatever positivity you give in a mental level, it actually gets manifested in 3D. Okay guys, thanks.